I have a safest dream. I have a safest dream, Daddy. Good night. Good night, Mommy. Good night.
Can you get inside your car? Open up the door.
Good night, Mommy.
Good night, Dad.
They're swinging in my bed.
You getting in your car, Em?
See you in the morning. I'll see you in the morning. I'll see you in the morning, Mommy.
Good night.
Good night.
Emily, can you go drive your car? Can you honk the horn?
Bye.
Can you go honk the horn?
Mommy. 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 There's monsters in my bedroom.
Well, you know what to do. What are you supposed to do when you think there's monsters?
Trust in God.
Right.
Here comes my troublemaker. Oh, and number 2. The big sister. No touch, don't touch, please.
I just.
Nope, neither one of you touch. Big sister? Little sister? Oh.
I just can't feed it.
I don't.
Emma, go drive your car. Can you go drive your car? Go drive your car. Maybe if Abby gets in with you, you go. Abby, go get in the car for them.
Yeah. Not yet.
Yeah, go get in the car and see if Emily will get in there with you.
I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go in my cave bed.
Okay.
Oh, what you gonna do when they come by? This place is destroyed.
Can you some room for me? Ah! No, where are your feet? Ah! Where? Ah!
You driving the car?
Ah! I'm sleepy and I want to get in here and sleep.
Where you guys going?
Stop. We're going home.
Emily, can you say you're going to Papa's?
Papa and Nana's.
Going to Papa.
Papa and Nana's.
Say Papa.
We're here.
Papa.
We're here. We're
You go
here.
say Papa.
Da.
Yeah.
Da. Papa. Papa.
You blow me a kiss?
We're here. Good night. Good night, Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mother.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Em.